Hey everybody, I've got another new crimper. It's kind of like the Zoron. Let's zoom in on it. It's got the crimp part and then the 3 parts for the turn. That's for 1x1, 2x2, and 3x3. Okay, now I have 3x3 crimps. I've got your standard 2x2 crimps. And I have 1x1 crimps. And to do that with, let's go and do the wire. This is for the 3x3 crimp. This is for the 1x1. And that's for the 2x2 part in the gold color of it. All right, we're going to try each of the sizes. Okay, the first crimp we're going to do is the 3x3. And we're going to place it in there. See? Oh, that did a nice fold. And then we're going to turn it 90 degrees. And I think that's the first hole. Looks like it is. And a nice double fold. And a little squish at the end. That'll hold it very nicely. Good looking crimp. All right, 3x3 is a success. Does a nice crimp. All right. Next, we're going to do the 2x2. All right, we've got the 2x2 crimp on. And we're going to put it in the same first hole. There we go. Nice fold over. Then we're going to turn it 90 degrees. And that looks like the second hole. Line it up. And a nice double fold over. That's what I like to see right there. All right, now the most difficult one for me to see is the 1x1, and we're going to do the 1x1. Boy, that sure is a tiny crimp. Let's get the pliers in. And put it in the right spot, which is right there. Looks like a nice double fold. And let me see, the small hole is right there. Here we go. Let's see if we can zoom it in a little bit. Here we go. And squeeze. Well, that looks pretty good. Let me maybe put it against my finger. Not perfect, but hell, I can't see the little thing. But it will hold. It will hold. A little bit more difficult for the small one. I don't think there's anything really good for the small little crimps, but this works as good as it can get. And the best thing about these crimpers is the price. $10. That's right, $10 for this crimper. So, hey, order it in the link below. There we go. Only $10, spring loaded. It's nice for the price. You really can't beat it.